Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to write Hello World program using Python programming language. It's very super easy to write a welcome program in Python. See, earlier session we have discussed here to creating a new Python file using these steps. On project, right click, new Python file, and the naming of the file we have created. The extension of the file name it's showing like .py. So here what you need to write for hello world, print, print method you need to write, open and end square like a parenthesis braces, okay, the brackets also we can say. Inside you have to take double quotes, hello world. You just write any name. I am putting here is a name of like a hello world only. Once it is written like a print, open and end brackets, parenthesis, inside take the double quotes or single quote, and inside any string, hello world, hello my world, hello program, hello Python, any word, or also you can write down your name also. We'll see more examples here. And once it is done, once it is written successfully, once you written successfully the name of the program name, what you need to do is here like let me do the things. I'm trying to making big. Yeah, once it is done, what you do here, yeah, right click on the file name to run. We need to run it and we need to execute the code. So right click on the file name, run file name. So this is the run file name. So welcome in my case the file name. So if I click the run, see you will get the output in hello world. Have you seen here what we are written here on the compiler? By running the project we are seeing hello world here very simply and very quickly. Similarly, I'm going to writing some more information of my name. I'm writing hello Sekhar. Save it and run. Right click, run. So here also you will get the run button. Here also you can click next time onwards. At the first time only you need to right click on the file and run the code independently. Why? Because this is the independent forms, no? So we are getting. So hello world is coming, and similarly hello Sekhar also it's coming. Most of the who are the beginners, you try to write print statements as many like your daily routines and your daily activities or your school subjects or anything. If you want to see in output, you can write print statement. Inside the double quotes you can add the string data, any data you can add it and you can run it. You will get the output perfectly. Try to practice more and more. I'll catch you in the next lecture with more fun. Thank you.